mockingbird. And if that mockingbird don't sing, Daddy's gonna buy you a diamond ring. And if that diamond ring goes fast, Daddy's gonna buy you a looking glass.
But Daddy didn't come home last night. His good morning kiss still sits on my forehead from breakfast, and I'm gonna need a refresh by bedtime, but he never came in. With no bird, no ring, not even a glass to look for him with, and young eyes are often mistaken for blind, but I see a shame. Mama didn't pick me up from school and refused to look me in the face, and it's almost 8 and we haven't even ate yet. Daddy, you've never been this late before. And all I want to do is wait up for you, but Mama keeps saying I should get some sleep until I catch a glimpse of the TV and see your name on the screen. Daddy, Mama said you couldn't breathe. That an ocean of tarnished black and blues drowned you in hatred and insecurity, and I don't remember you being prepared for a swim today. Said they left you drenched in inhumanity on the concrete and didn't even try to revive you. I guess nobody else wanted to get their hands dirty with the immortality that lingered on your skin. It all makes sense now. Daddy. Mama cries with every glance of me because your face is the only thing she sees, like she hasn't seen enough on Facebook and Twitter and in our city streets. I'm haunted by you. Never to hug you. Never to hold your hand. Never to see your face in our home again. And I know you didn't intend for your name to come a martyr for this here cause, but Daddy, they keep screaming justice, but every time I look around, only people that look just like us need it. It don't make no sense that there's a video of him laying on the ground, not breathing, but the man who stole his air ain't standing behind bars reaping consequences while I constantly weep for you. Daddy, you didn't come home last night. I see that was to teach me that some people are still hateful. I just wish I could be more grateful for this lesson. Daddy, your good morning kiss still sits on my forehead for breakfast. And as my heart mourns for you, I'll spend every night collecting your memories so that you'll never fade away. Hush, little baby, don't say a word.
Daddy's gonna buy you a mockingbird. And if that mockingbird don't sing, Daddy's gonna buy you a diamond ring. And if that diamond ring goes fast, Daddy's gonna buy you a looking glass.
Not guilty.